Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit photos like a pro with Snapseed on iPhone. Tap Open Snapseed. It will automatically open from device to access your iPhone's photo library and albums. Open from device, and then you will see the two Snapseed photo editing areas within the app, Looks and Tools. In this section, you'll discover how to improve color exposure and detail in your photos. With a few simple edits, you can turn an ordinary dull photo into a spectacular masterpiece. Open a photo, then tap Tools. You'll see the menu of Snapseed photo editing tools as shown on the right below. The Tune Image tool allows you to get perfect color and exposure in your photos. This is the tool you'll use most often in Snapseed editing because it greatly improves any photo. In the Tools section of Snapseed, tap Tune Image. Swipe up or down on your photo to open the Tune Image menu. Select the tool you want to use. Example, the brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, warmth. When you've chosen a tool, swipe left or right over your photo to make the adjustment. You'll see the settings value at the top of the screen. To open the Tune Image menu again, swipe up or down. Choose another tool, then swipe left or right to adjust the settings. Repeat this process to use any other tools in the menu. Compare the before and after versions of your photo using the icon at the top right. Tap and hold the icon to see the original photo. Release your finger to return to the edit image. When you're happy with your Snapseed edit, tap the check mark. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.